Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I have created a very easy and wearable kind of makeup look. This is a wedding guest makeup look because you all know that right now in India it is wedding season. I have created very easy yet glamorous kind of makeup look and kept the base makeup very glowy and dewy because I don't want any kind of dryness or patchiness on my face because this is winter season. If you are new to my channel, then hi, I am Shayani. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so every time I upload a video you can get the notification. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I am starting with this Bliscent Lip Scrub just to clean out all the dead cells from my lips, and I am scrubbing it very gently. Then I am using a tissue and cleaning out the dead cells and the product from my lips, and you can see the condition of my lips right now. Then I am using this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream as a face pack because my skin was feeling very dry, so I used this cream as a face pack just to hydrate my skin, moisturize my skin very well. And this is a very good option for dry skin people, though I don't have dry skin, but yeah, I really like the texture of this cream and it suits me in the winter season actually. After applying it, I am waiting for 10 minutes. Then I'm using this Kama rose water and using it with a cotton pad and get rid of all the product. Then I am using this Professional primer from Benefit just to fill in my open pores around my nose and chin portion. After that, I am using my all-time favorite lip mask. This is by Laneige and this is in the flavor berry. Then I am using this spoolie to comb out all the hairs on my eyebrows, and I am using this ABH brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am using an angular brush to fill in my eyebrows. I am not drawing extra kind of thing, I am just filling in the gaps. After filling all the gaps, then I am using this concealer. This is by Maybelline. This is Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer and I am using it just to clean out all the edges of my eyebrows because I don't want any kind of messiness. With the same concealer, I am using it on my eyelids just as an eyeshadow primer. Then I am using this damp beauty blender just to blend all the products. Always use dabbing motion to blend concealer, foundations, any kind of cream product. Again I am combing the hairs of my eyebrows. Then I am using this MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade 43 just to set my eyelid. Then I am using this Tann Beauty eyeshadow palette and picking this shade and I am using it above the crease line of my eye. And I am using this fluffy blending brush from Pack, and I am doing this in windshield wiper motion. Then I am using this shade, and here I am using NYX small blending brush, and I am using this shade into my crease, and I am not blending it above my crease. Again, using this fluffy blending brush, I am just cleaning out the harsh edges, and I'm not using any kind of extra product. Then I am using this MAC Burgundy 9 eyeshadow palette, I guess, and using this dark burgundy kind of shade into my outer V. Then I am using this rose gold kind of shade on my eyelid, and I am using my finger to pat down this color. I am just applying it 1/3 of my eyelid and blending this with that burgundy kind of color. Then I am using Bobbi Brown Kajal just to draw a thin line very close to my upper lashes. With the help of a smudger brush, I am smudging the kajal. Just to create a smoky effect. Then I am using this NYX liquid eyeshadow, and this is very affordable and very beautiful, and I'm using this eyeshadow just in the middle of my eyelid. You can see how beautiful this looks. Then I am using MAC Prep+Prime all over my face and using this Bobbi Brown hydrating cream on all over my face just to moisturize it very well. Then I am using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. This shade will help me to cover up all the dark circles and all the pigmentations around my lips. Also, I am using this concealer on my acne marks. This will hide each and every mark on my skin. Then I am using the same damp beauty blender just to blend out this concealer. You can see this is a perfect match for my skin tone, and this concealer gives medium to full coverage, and it is very hydrating and it blends like magic. Then I am using Fit Me foundations in the shade 330 and 332. Yeah, I mixed these two shades just to create my custom kind of skin tone. and I'm using it all over my face and neck also. Never forget your neck. Then again I'm using that damn beauty blender and I'm using dabbing motion to blend the foundation. You can see my skin is glowing. It is not looking cakey or flaky kind of. That's why I really like to prep my skin before applying any kind of makeup. Then I am using the same age rewind concealer in the shade caramel just to highlight under my eyes and my chin, bridge of my nose. This concealer also blends like magic and this is very affordable and very lightweighted. Again I'm using this MAC Studio Fix powder foundation just under my eyes to set the concealer. I'm not applying it all over my face because I really want that dewy effect. I am tight lining my eyes with the same Bobbi Brown Kajal. Then I am using this burgundy shade in the outer portion of my lower lash line. Using the same NYX small blending brush, I am just smoking out the color. Then I am taking this rose gold shade and applying it in the inner part of my lower lash line. Then I am using this Lakme 9 to 5 mousse lipstick in the shade Blush Velvet as my cream blush, and I am blending this with my fingers. Then I am using my Hoola Bronzer just to get back the dimensions of my face. And I'm using it in the usual portions. I am using NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to set my makeup. Then I'm using this Bobbi Brown highlighter. This is really gorgeous. I am highlighting the usual points. Again I'm using this damn beauty blender just to get rid of the extra product. Here I am using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm using a lot of mascara because I'm not wearing any kind of falsies. Here I'm using again Bobbi Brown's mascara in my upper lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara just to separate all the lashes. Then I'm using this NYX lipstick in the shade Budapest, I think. I will mention each and every product details in my description box. I am using this Wet n Wild's lip liner in the shade Chestnut just to line my lips. I am using a dry tissue to get rid of that sheen on my lips. And this is my finished look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. So, tata!